All right. So let's now continue with problem number 4. Okay. So construct the truth table for the expression not P and Q, and then conditional not P or not Q. Okay. So I'll give you guys 5 minutes, 3 to 5 minutes to construct a truth table for this expression. Okay. So time starts now, 6:08. So titingnan natin yung mga result or yung mga sagot nyo at exactly 6:11. So in here, we only have 2 variables. So we only have 4 possible combinations. Oops. Nakikita ba kayo? Yeah, naka-screen share naman na. So yung 4 possible combinations ay sa first row, true-true. Second row is true-false. Third row is false-true. And then the last one is false-false. Okay? Para pare-parehas tayo ng pagkakasunod-sunod. Okay, so last 1 minute. Alright, so it's already 6:11. May nakatapos ba? Or may gumagawa ba? Yung pinakatamang tanong eh. Hintay ako ng 3 minutes, wala pa rin gumagawa. Is there someone who were able to answer this one? So guys, may gumawa or wala? Para kung sakaling wala, and then papakita ko na lang yung sagot and then we'll try to analyze it one by one. So I'll count 5 seconds. Kapag walang sumagot, ibig sabihin walang gumawa. So 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Okay, so none of you tried to do this one. So sad. Anyway. Ano yan? Hindi pa tapos? Ha? Ano yan, Mr. Labsan? Hindi ko masyadong maintindihan. Medyo choppy. Siguro yung signal na siguro to. Anyway, Sir Alfie, so coming from Mr. Golic, so lahat ng sagot is true. Okay, so let's see. So ayun, so it seems na tama si Mr. Golic. Okay, so ang nangyari niyan is dinefine niya muna tong P and Q. Okay, so yun yung inuna niya. Okay, so we can have our own approach. Actually, kung ako yan, uunahin ko muna tong nat P at saka nat Q. Okay. Ito pala, itong nat P saka nat Q. Pero in here, okay, so again, just a disclaimer kung bakit ko sinasabing iba yung approach na ito sa approach ko kasi hindi ko to notes. Okay, I've just got this from Sir Tandingan because he's the one who's teaching this subject before, and then I've just get these modules and then revise it. Okay, kung ano man yung sabihin ko, hindi naman kailangan or kailangan pang dagdagan. So, yun. So, ito yung naging result dun sa module ni Sir Tandingan. So, inuna niya yung P and Q. So, again, if it's and, dapat lahat ng condition, lahat ng statement mo is true for you to have a result of true. So, true is true. True, false. So, meron na isang false. So, false na kagad yun. False, true. Ganun din. So, false na. So, false, false, false. And then his next approach is the nat P and Q is 1. Nat P and Q. So kinuha niya muna tong P and Q. So all you need to do is negate this one. So from true, it will become false. So ano man yung result na ito, ninegate niya lang. From false will become true. From false will become true. False will become true. And then the negation of nat P and nat Q. Okay, ito. So nat P, negate mo lang to actually kung ano man yung value na ito, babalik na rin mo lang. So true naging false, true naging false, false naging true, false naging true. And then for Q, not Q rather, true became false, false became true, true became false, and then false became true. And then we now have here the not P or not Q, which is this one, yung connected sila. So meron ka ng not P, meron ka ng not Q. So all you need to do is put an or here. So false or false is false, false or true is true, true or false is true, and then true or true is true. So now, you now have this one, not P and not Q. You now also have this one, not P or not Q. All you need to do is combine them using conditional. Okay? So, nauuna to. So, ito yung hypothesis natin, and then ito naman yung conclusion natin. So, not P and Q. So ito yung hypothesis, and then this is the conclusion. So false, conditional false is true. True, conditional true is true. True, conditional true is true. And then true, conditional true is true. Okay? So the answer of Mr. Golic is correct. So yeah, lahat is true. So thank you very much for lending your 3 to 5 minutes time in answering this one. Okay, I appreciate that one. Okay? All right, so assignment number 1. So, hindi ko pa ito nalalagay sa Canvas. So, idadagdag ko na lang to as your assignment. Okay? So, sasagutan nyo to gamit ang inyong paper. Okay? Or hindi na pala, not paper. Okay? Answer this one using a Microsoft Word. Okay? Para mas madaling mabasa. Microsoft Word, and then send that as Microsoft Word format. Okay? Para yung naka-table na kaagad, okay? So, pakita ko na lang sa inyo kung paano mag-create ng table kung sakaling hindi nyo pa man alam. So, insert lang kayo and then table. So, bahala na kayo kung ilang column. Gawin nyo muna sa paper bago nyo ilagay dito. Okay. So, yeah. Ganun lang naman. So, sa isang file na to, isang Word document na to, dapat sagutan nyo itong tatlo. So, I should see 3 tables. Okay? P conditional, and then by conditional not Q, and so on and so forth. So, just like what we did in example, problem number 3 and 4. Okay? So, I will leave this one to you guys. And then, introducing to you the tautology. So, it is a compound statement wherein true for all possible values. Okay? So, ganito lang yan. Kapag meron kayong construct na truth table wherein the result is all true, we call that one a tautology. Okay? Ganun lang kasimple. So, maraming klase ng expression. So, isa na tong expression na to wherein the result is tautology. Okay? So, another example of tautology. So, I'll leave the analyzation part into you guys kung paano nakuha itong mga result ng P conditional Q, P and A, and so on and so forth. Hanggang sa yung pinaka-last, okay, wherein all of them are true. Here are the other examples of tautologies. So kung marami kang time, and then parang bagot na bagot ka, so why not? Diba? Try to confirm whether those expressions are really tautologies or no. Pero kung busy ka naman, so okay lang naman, kahit hindi mo naman sagutan to. Ito lang yung mga ibang examples ng mga tautologies natin. Okay? So hindi ko na to papakita kung paano sila naging tautologies, pero yun, ililib ko na sa inyo yung part kung paano sila naging tautologies. Okay? So if we have tautologies, we also have contradiction wherein it is a complete opposite of tautologies. So meron tayong lahat true, meron din tayong lahat false. Okay? So may mga expression din na mga false. So this one sometimes called absurdity kasi lahat na ng combination ng statements ay false. Okay? So ito yung isa sa mga example kung paano siya or kung isa sa mga example ng contradiction. Okay? And then I think iba to eh. Sabihin ko sana ito. Pero iba naman. Okay, so ito yung truth table niya, and then we have another example which is also a contradiction pero hindi pinakita yung truth table. Anyway, and then if we have a combination of true and false in our truth table, we call that one contingency. Okay, it is a statement that can be either true or false, so depending on the truth values of its propositional variables. So let's say we have 10 possible outcomes. Example lang So merong isa doon true and then the 9 outcomes are false. That's already contingency. Okay, kasi hindi na siya pure tautology or hindi na siya pure contradiction. So call that one contingency. Kapag 9 naman doon is true and then 1 is false, still a contingency. Okay, basta naghalo na yung dalawa, contingency niya. So ito yung mga examples ng contingency natin. And then another seat break. So I'll add this one. So meron kayong I think total of 5 seat breaks. Yeah, I guess. So, eto, i-identify nyo lang naman or i-determine nyo lang naman kung tautology ba siya, contradiction, or contingency. Okay, so anyway, madali siyang sagutan kasi pipili na kayo sa tatlo pero kailangan yung i-prove. Okay? So, I don't need your proof kung bakit siya tautology or contradiction or contingency. So, ang sasagot nyo lang doon is either tautology, contradiction, or contingency. Okay? So, hindi na kailangang i-submit yung solution. So, kayo na bahala sa solution kung bakit siya tautology, kung bakit siya contradiction, or kung bakit siya contingency. Okay? And then we have the logical equivalence. So, this one, very straightforward. So, we can write P and Q as logically equivalent as P equivalence to Q. Provided that either P and Q are both true or P and Q are both false, meaning they have the same value. So, para masabi mong equal, so P should be true and then Q should be true also. Okay, same with if P is false, then Q should be false also for them to become logically equivalent. And then we have an exercise here. So, prove that De Morgan's laws for logic using truth values. Okay, so ipapakita ko sana to pero wala na kasing time. Okay, or merong time pero super extended na tayo. So, iiwanan ko na to sa inyo. So, meron tayong equivalent dito. So, madali lang naman siya. Yung horizontal line sa taas or yung bar sa taas, that's equivalent to negation. Okay? Ninenegate mo lang yung mga nasa ilalim. So, kung papansinin mo, yung P naging negation or negated P, and then yung or, pag ninegate mo yung or, magiging N. Vice versa, kapag yung N, ninegate mo, magiging or. Okay? And then, dito naman sa Q, ganun din. Naging negated Q lang din siya. Same with this one. Okay? Opposite lang naman nito yan. So, yung P, naging negative P. Itong end na to, naging or. And then, yung Q, naging negated Q. Okay? So, all you need to do is put the answers here. So, kailangan mo lang i-prove dapat ito at saka ito. Ano pala? Ito at saka ito, itong dalawang to is magkaparehas. Okay? The same with this one. Ito at saka ito rin, dapat magkaparehas sila ng values. Okay? So dito kasi gumamit lang tayo ng De Morgan's law instead of just the negation. Okay, na isa-isa. Okay, kasi hindi tayo pwede maglagay ng negation and then followed by connectives, another connectives. Hindi pwedeng dalawang connectives na magkasunod. So para manegate mo yung isang connectives, gagamit tayo ng De Morgan's law, which is this one, the bar graph or the graph at the top. Okay? And then exercise, so show the logical equivalence of the following using truth table. Okay, so iwanan ko na rin sa inyo kung paano siya ma-prove. So ang gawin nyo na lang siguro, ito muna, and then bago ito. So dapat same sila ng result. Okay. So ito muna, construct mo yung truth table nito, and then construct mo rin yung truth table nito. So compare mo lang, dapat parehas sila ng logical equivalence. So hindi ko na ito idadagdag sa Canvas as your secret. Okay, kasi medyo madami-dami na yung mga secrets nyo. I think 5 na yun or 4. Okay, so ito magiging practice nyo na lang. Ito. Okay, so ito, I highly recommend na gawin nyo itong, ano ba to? Bakit walang equivalence? Okay, so i-confirm ko to, itong letter B, kasi dapat may equivalence. Okay, itong ganito, kung saan man dito. Alright, so letter B, wag nyo na lang munang sagutan. Letter A na lang muna. Okay, kasi walang symbol ng logical equivalence. Alright, so that's it for part 1, module 1. So, pasensya na kung medyo overtime tayo since na-miss kasi natin yung meeting, last meeting. Okay. So, kailangan nating tapusin ito. Anyway, do you guys have a question or a clarification with our part 1, module 1?
Wala po.
None, sir.
So,
None,
parang
sir.
energy Bale, malapit na ang dinner. Kakaroon ulit kayo ng energy. Anyway, so i-upload ko na lang tong recorded video natin sa part 1 to part 4 to sa mga hindi masyadong naintindihan yung topics or yung mga paputol-putol yung signal. So just rewatch the video. Okay, so if you guys have a question, kung sakali man, or clarification, i-message nyo lang ako sa Facebook. Okay, okay lang naman. Sumasagot naman ako doon. Hindi naman ako sinner. Hindi naman ako snob. Okay, so kung wala nang katanungan, so you guys may now go and then have a nice dinner.
Thank you, sir.
Bye, sir.
Thank you,
Bye.
sir.
Bye, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Bye. Alright, so how about you guys? Mr. Lamin, do you have a question? Alright, so I think umalis to. Anyway, so goodbye, Mr. Lamin.